So today I'll be installing this ready mount Gabriel Ultra set into my Mazda 3 2007. These are the tools I'll be using. This is a 3/4. This is a 14 millimeter. This is the 1/2 inch. This is 17 millimeter, 15 millimeter with the extension, wrench, and an impact gun. Okay, so first I'll be doing is the 15 millimeter. I'm going to take this nut over here, and then with this cable, I'm going to pry it out slowly. Just like that. And this line right here, there's a pin right there. Take this pliers and just pull it sensor out right in here. Just push. Okay, back to the side. Like that, and then this thing drops down. Just wiggle it, it comes down like this, and then just pull it out to the side. Okay, that should be enough room for us to take this out. Next is this bolt back there. Take this 17, watch out, right there. Comes right out. Okay. WD-40 right down here. So it slides out. And then we look up top. Right here with the 14. Okay, still got a little leverage there. Little leverage there. Okay, that does not want to come out. Alright, just like that. Not enough power. Fail. All right, let's pick the heavy duty one. Comes right out. I don't know if this is gonna fit. Okay, it broke. Awesome. That's fine. We're gonna get a new one anyway. Okay, so down here, after the WD-40 soaks in, we gotta move this sway bar link. So I'm gonna take another jack. Watch out. So I'm gonna jack it right underneath this ball joint in the back. Try not to get the router. Okay. Right there in the back. Just jack this up until okay, so this is a problem. It doesn't come out because it's stuck into to the back of the fender. So what I'm going to do is just pull the whole shock out. Just wiggle this. I forgot to mention that I have this special spreader. It's to spread the this clamp on the bottom. So I'm gonna place it on the bottom. Excuse me, under this bolt. Let me put it in first. Whoa. So it goes in exactly like that in the back. You can see the right here, yeah, right underneath the bolt. Okay, and then the whole thing just comes down like that. And then with this, you just pull it out like that, and the whole thing comes out. So putting this in is a little bit difficult because these bolts with the nut, it came off. So what we're gonna do is just put it in, and I'll have to put my finger underneath it to get the bolt started. At least one of these are still in place. Okay. So when you put it in, this bracket has to be on the left side to hold the sway bar. Okay. So it's a little bit tricky. You gotta have one hand underneath and one hand on top. But as long as I got one started, hopefully the other two will be fine. Okay, you want to pause the video? Okay, so I got these threaded in. Took me a little bit of while. These new ones, they're actually 13 mm. Just tie it like that. Just like that. Okay, so after tying it, I like to just give a little bit, just a little turn right after, and that should be set. Okay, time for down here. Okay, so this is the difficult part. Okay, what I'm going to do is get this sway bar end link into the hole first. So I'm going to turn this and I will get the jack. Pick this up. Spray some WD-40, just like that. Line it up in the hole. So notice that I'm turning this to the left a little bit. Okay, jack this up. Okay, just enough to put this in. Put the bracket in. Okay, put this nut in. Okay, let me get the gun. Alright. Okay, looks good, just like that. Okay, watch out. I'll put this in later. Let me just lower this. Okay, and then I gotta turn this so that this back here, if you see this hole, it has to line up in the back. Get it from that side. Down here, this has to line up. You see how this lines, this bracket back here? No, this is in your way. You can't see it. You see this bracket that I'm touching? It has to line up in this hole. It has to go into the hole, and then the bolt goes right through this line, okay? So what I'm gonna do is take my hammer and just hammer this sway bar until the whole thing lines up. Nope, a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, so it's lined up in the middle, and then I just jack this right up into it. Did it fall into it? Yes. I don't think this side fell in. Let me grab the flashlight. No, this side's not in. Just hammer it a little bit more. Okay, should be in. I saw it drop. No, these are a little bit more. There you go. Huh. Let me do a little bit more. Watch out. Yeah, it looks like it's in. Jack it up a little bit more, make sure. All right, it's in. And then you put the 17 bolts back in. 17 bolts all the way in. Let me get the gun. All right, I need you to get out of the way. Okay. The bolt spec on that, it should be 55 pounds of torque. Okay, take my torque wrench. You don't want to make it too tight, because then you're going to break the bolt and then you're going to have to go dealer and you're going to cry, I'm going to cry. Okay. Oh, there you go. Perfect. And this one is just hand tight, is fine. Okay. Next is put all the wires back together. WD-40 is my friend. Let me put this wheel sensor in here. Pretty easy. Just snap it in. Snap. Okay. WD-40 this just a little bit. Technically, I didn't have to remove this because it comes with the bolt. Okay, that one's in. This one, let's WD-40 this too. Okay, so this one you got feed it in from the bottom. There's a flat side. I don't know if you can see it. Over here's a flat side. You'll feel it. It goes. Oh, just gotta wiggle it in. Oh. Can you move? I'm gonna take a wire brush, a lot of rust, and just carefully try to scrape off some stuff. Okay, it looks like it's not fitting in at all. So my options are to either drill this hole wider or just leave it as is. I'm going to see if I can grab a drill bit and drill this out a little bit wider. Alright, be right back. So I couldn't find my drill. What I will do is just zip tie this like this. Mechanic's best friend is a zip tie. It works for everything. Okay, just zip tie like this. Cut it exactly like this. Okay, yes, cut it like this, and then we're done. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please ask, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Bye.